Find the number of arrangements of the letters of the word METROORTEM. Okay. So in such kind of questions, we need to first count the number of alphabets, letters in the word. So there are 10 letters over here. So first of all, it becomes 10 factorial. Now we count the number of repetitions. M is repeated 2 times, E is repeated 2 times, T is repeated 2 times, R is repeated 2 times, and O is repeated 2 times. So the total number of arrangements become 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial for M and separately for ETRO as well. So it becomes like this. On simplifying, we will get the answer as 113400. That is option D.